What's up, guys? Me, Kirk, and Ryan are out here in the woods sweating our booties off, trying to get you guys some good video of the two new Scouts.
Balgo Creek has now become welcome to the jungle. Sha-na-na-na-nees.
Sha-na-na-na-nees.
I'm telling you.
So we got both Scouts out here, and Kirk has his killer power wagon.
Yes.
All SCX6's, and we're in the jungle, boys and
Sweating
girls.
up.
And
We're
it is
sweating.
hot,
We're
baby.
taking a little break right now. It's a birthday run. Let's go.
Happy birthday,
This
Ryan
man's
Ramsey.
birthday.
31.
Yeah, 31 and driving.
Yeah, I got promoted to the North Pole, so I'll get out of this hot stuff here soon. I'm working on the, I'm a stunt double for Santa.
Nice.
I've got the belly going and the beard's halfway.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
go.
what we're talking about. We're going to try to do some sweaty 3D scan when we get done with this today.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It'll be a puddle.
It'll be a puddle.
It'll be a puddle driving my next rig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Peace, guys. We'll see you next one.